This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 88 of building the legendary cyborg Robocop. In this issue, we're dealing with the switch that we dealt with last time. We're getting it onto the back plate. So for now, we're going to look through the magazine, as we always do first. We have memorable locations from Robocop 2014. I don't remember any of them, but apparently it's the Donnelly Centre, which is attached to the University of Toronto, is Detroit's Central Police Station. Vancouver. Cool. Bionic Arm playing guitar. Yes, this is it. Back part 1. The switch from before, from last time, we're putting into the back panel and screwing it in place. That's it. Nice, easy build for this one. That's obviously where his back goes, in case you didn't really notice. Obviously, this is the battery compartment as well. So, yeah, all good stuff. We'll get to that momentarily. Assisted or driverless driving? I don't mind the idea of driverless driving in certain situations, but I like to be able to drive. But it would be quite nice to not have to drive sometimes. I don't want it to be completely, you know, no drivers. But there you go. Space tourism. Yes, I would like to go to space. If SpaceX is watching and wants to do a sponsored segment, feel free, reach out to me, Elon. We'll sort it out. There we go. Space travel agencies, lunar tourism. Yeah, all good stuff. Right, let's clear this out of the way. Let's get this very quickly built. So here we are. We have a back panel. We have some screws, of which I'm only using the one. BP screws, the same as we're going to end up with loads of. Just one of those I need out from this packet. Actually, let's get them both out this packet. Get rid of that bit of card and put our spare one in that packet. Might as well keep things nice. And now I've got a spare packet I can put anything I like in. Well, as long as it's very, very tiny. So this needs to feed through from the front, or the back rather. And then that bit goes on the inside. That goes down there, so that ends up looking flush on there, and we've got a single screw to hold that together. I don't know if this is going to be covered by a shoulder panel, or if it's going to be sort of an exposed button. But there we have it, our button for activating things. The rest of it I've still got here from last time. So it's obviously just going to go over there. Pretty much like that. And that's going to be sitting up the top there, ready to push the buttons. Quite a lot of room still in here. I don't know. Yeah, we've got the whole chest thing that we've built up already, which I think next time we're going to be getting this on there and getting it all assembled. So, yeah, looking forward to that. Right. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you for more very, very soon. Bye-bye for now.